everybody. I'm so excited. We are on the road right now and headed to North Carolina and Virginia with a whole bunch of pastors, church leaders, organizers, and this is the first of many trips that we'll be doing to help get people closer to the land, and not just any land, but black farm land. We're bringing churches and farmers together to co-create black food ecosystems, because if we don't have our own food system, then we are dependent upon the same systems that have oppressed our people for generations. It's time for us to do something different. This is a trip in that direction. I'm so excited about those who are on this bus for this historic pilgrimage to black farmland.